G ka ba to discuss how to avoid losing money on PayPal transfer fees?
Dati malaking problema ko talaga yung transfer fees. I used to lose 300 to 500 every payout just for transferring my earnings. Nagtry na rin ako ng iba't ibang payment methods pero karamihan malaki talaga yung fees. Tapos minsan matagal pa bago ko ma-receive yung payment.
Kaya I tried using GCash and in fairness, ang dali niyang gamitin.
Ang maganda pa dito, hindi na makuhold yung pera kaya agad magagamit sa bills, grocery, rent, internet, or savings. Kaya talagang super convenient para sa ating mga freelancers. So here's how you do it. Open GCash, tap Cash In, choose Global Banks and Partners and click PayPal, link account if not yet linked, click Continue, plug in your PayPal account, then click Agree and Connect, and you're done! Your PayPal account is now linked. Now to transfer your PayPal earnings to GCash, tap Cash In, choose from PayPal, then enter the amount, click Next, tap Proceed, and click OK. Then check your transaction history so you'll see it right away. I already received my earnings.
Direkta nang papasok yung PayPal earnings account mo real time, so hindi mo na kailangan maghintay ng 1 to 3 days. And aside from that, capped na sa 200 pesos yung transfer fee, so kahit gaano man kalaki yung cash in mo, 200 pesos lang yung babayaran mo. So kung freelancer ka at gusto mo ma-maximize yung earnings mo, try mo na rin yung GCash. It's super simple, fast, and bababa pa yung transfer fee. So link your PayPal and start using GCash today.